Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So, just another quick update for Bitcoin. We'll go into Ethereum and Ripple also. Sliced right through our, this is pretty weak, slicing right through our target area with the clusters, going straight down to 75% gain level, stopping there, pausing, and then allowing us to do another projection down. Don't know why that switched. Sometimes this charting platform does that. It switches to something I updated on another chart. Hitting the 50% longer term retracement level and the 10,000 level. We talked about that on the last, to watch for buyers stepping in at that 10,000 level since they love those round numbers. Now, continued rally back up. We're watching for the resistance coming in about 10,563 to 10,650, and on a stronger rally about 11,000 to about 11,250, which would put us right in the rotation zone. Next sell-off levels, we're watching 98.20, 97.04, then 94.65. Remember, rotation zone is clearly against us now, so don't get greedy taking any major trades beyond the rotation zone unless you're moving up your stop. Let's check in on the daily really quick. So where's that daily 8 sitting right now? That daily 8 is about 11,793. It's going to keep declining. So really we'll be watching about the 11,597 or 11,600 on a stronger daily rally to take us back to lower in the rotation zone and a key GAN level. Switching over to Ethereum. So we had our key cluster area about this 958 to 965 where we had a 25% projected GAN levels from the high on the 20th. Back to this low on the 21st. That was a big cluster, and the flat, slightly rising 200. We've essentially stopped there. Slight rally back, enable us to get the next projected levels down. Now the next new major levels down are about 913 to 916, then 886, and then below that 867. Rally back up, major support or major resistance coming in about this 1,013, not 10,000, 1,013, and again target the 1,000. Watch there because anybody who did try to buy this might at least try to sell something at the 1,000. I don't know why people love these round numbers so much, but that's the way it is. And on a stronger rally, we have this key support closing area, which it comes in at the top of the rotation zone, so that would put it at 1041. So wouldn't look to be getting greedy beyond 1041 if you did pick up anything. With Ethereum, we're just waiting for some high probability reversal patterns right now. You also see down at that 886 level, this daily chart, we have just below that about 875. We have the rising 50-period exponential moving average. It is starting to flatten out, but that's going to be a very key support area for Ethereum on a daily basis. And if this does not rally soon, it looks like we're going to get, again, a cross of the rotation zone, which we haven't had in a very long time. The last major cross was back in the beginning of November. So keep an eye out for that. Finally, over to Ripple, hitting our key, just getting below our key area, this 117, 115, pretty much closing on that 115. So that satisfies the sloppy double top requirements, which is all done right now. We can remove that. We can also do another projection down. We'll go from this top here back down to this pausing area. So if we do head lower, actually, let me revise these levels too. We need to get these other ones in. Was hoping we wouldn't need them, but it looks like we will. Heading lower, we're watching for about 104 to 106, which is a wide cluster, but that's the next level we'll be watching for. And then the next major area, about 95 to 97. On a rally, now very key resistance coming in 128. And then the next major key area we'll be watching for is 137 on a rally. Again, no high probability bottoming pattern yet, so we're just waiting, buying our time. Let's switch over to the daily just to check in like we always do. All right, let me also add in the 37.5% retrace. We'll add in the other retracements just to see how it's lining up. So major levels on the daily, about 146 to 150 is going to be very key resistance. That's the first major level we'll be watching for on Ripple should we rally back at all. But as I said, we're not doing anything, just waiting for some pattern setups that give us some probabilities instead of just trying to rush in and catch a falling knife in a lot of these cryptos. Best to be patient. That's why you trail your stops. When it pulls back, you get stopped out, or you've already taken profits, and then you're just waiting for the bigger pullback and then the high probability area to reestablish some of your positions. So what we have for you. Thanks to all our subscribers, all the comments, all the likes, and we really appreciate you. Bye for now.